There is that sprinkling in of what may have been the motive, to your point, Michael, of the molestation, and that's hard for a juror to ignore. But we'll see how it plays out. How do you think this witness is coming across? I want to mention the glasses because it's hard to ignore. We know that he has a prescription for those glasses, but you can't see his eyes when he's talking. And usually with sunglasses, that's not what these are, but with typical sunglasses, you want someone to take them off so that a jury or the person talking to them can see really what they are emphasizing, how their eyes look. What are your thoughts on allowing that to happen in this case?
I'm glad you brought that up, Julia, because I found it disorienting that he was wearing the glasses, and I'm glad you brought that up because I'm also wondering why the defendant has her glasses on her head as though she's about to leave the courtroom and go on a Caribbean trip. Never a good look to have your client have the glasses that way. And then the witness has the glasses, which I find very disorienting. He's got the John Lennon look. So the whole thing is disorienting. So to answer your question, I find it to be, a subpar way of having, because the jury is trying to weigh credibility of every witness. Well, the biggest thing you use as physical cues for credibility is a person's eye movement and whether or not they're crying or becoming emotional at certain points. When that defense attorney was hitting him on his relationship and his wanting to have a relationship with the defendant, I wanted to see, are you crying? Are you tearing up? Are you quivering? I don't know. He just looked like John Lennon the whole time, so I have no idea. So that's a great point on your part. I don't think that's a good way of having a witness like this testify.